Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. And in this video, I'm going to talk about digital well-being. Yes, so I think this topic is new to you because most of the person do not know what is digital well-being and how to use this. So friends, we are using smartphone, right? But we don't know there are tools that can help us to use our smartphone more smart way. Smarter than before. You can use your smartphone smarter than before. Okay, so digital well-being is a tool that can help you to optimize your usage or to smart your usage or to use your smartphone in a smart way. So how many of you know what is digital well-being? Please let me know in the comment section. And if you don't know what is digital well-being, how you can use this, then this video is for you. So please keep watching this video till the end to know what is digital well-being and from where you can activate this, what are the features, how you can use this, everything I will tell you in this single video. So without any delay, let's start. To like, share, subscribe for more videos and press the bell icon, choose all notifications to keep updating with latest videos. If you want to contact us, you can join our Telegram channel, Telegram group, Facebook page. You can like and follow us on Facebook also, and you can send join request from our official website to our WhatsApp group. So let's start. So first question is, what is digital well-being? Digital well-being is a tool that can help you to manage your mobile phone in a smart way. You can check how many times you have opened applications. You can set the timer, you can set the limitations, you can check the total statistics of your every single activity, single applications from these digital well-being. Not only this, there are also some few future features like automatic bedtime mode, automatic D&D mode, etc, etc. So everything I will discuss in this video one by one. So how to activate this? So this feature is available in your settings. So most of the phone have a settings app. Just open your settings app and go to search and type digital well-being. You will be able to find. So I'm using Redmi Note 7 Pro. So Redmi users can find digital well-being in settings directly. So let me open settings.
Settings.
So I have opened my settings. Now let me swiping
Media
from left to
volume.
right.
Search. About phone. System apps up. Security status. SIM. Wi-Fi. Bluetooth. Portable. Connection. Locks. Display. Sound and notification. Home screen. Wallpaper. Themes. Passwords. Privacy protect. Battery. Apps. Additional set. Digital well-being and parental controls.
So digital
25 of
well-being and
34.
parental controls. Today I am not going to discuss about
Volume
parental
controls
controls.
hidden.
So I will make another video regarding parental controls with live experience. So today I am going to discuss about only digital well-being. So I am double tapping on digital well-being and parental controls.
Digital well-being. Navigate up. Button. Digital well-being and
So
parental
digital
controls.
well-being and parental
More
controls.
options. Button.
More options. So let's see what are the options there.
Send feedback. Beta program.
So
2 of 6.
send feedback,
Manage
beta
your
program,
data. 3 of 6.
manage your data,
Privacy policy.
Privacy
4 of
policy.
Terms of service.
terms of
Open source
service,
licenses.
open
6.
source license. So digital well-being is a tool.
Your digital well-being tools. Enlist. Phone used for 39 minutes today.
So phone used for 39 minutes today. So which means this is a quick dashboard or quick overview of the usage time of phone application. But not only this, you can check that you can keep a detailed eye on every usage. I will show you how to do that.
Go to dashboard.
So click and go to dashboard. So friends, I am in outdoors, so that's why you may get some outside noise.
Today.
So do not focus on that. I am making this video. I am speaking loudly that you can focus on my voice. So I am just swiping from left to right. Dashboard.
More options. Button.
More options. So let's see what are the options. I think same options there.
Dashboard. Screen time. Drop. Dashboard. 40 minutes. More options. Button.
Screen time.
Send feedback.
Send feedback.
Program.
Yes.
Dashboard.
So
screen 40 minutes. Screen time. Drop down menu.
So screen time means
Pop-up window.
screen
Notification.
time.
Times open. Notifications received. 2 of 3.
So this is the some filter. So screen time means the
No,
application
screen time,
we
1 of 3.
used. We open our screen, we turn on
Dashboard.
our screen, and
Screen
then
time. Drop
you
down menu.
use the
Out of list.
application. So
40 minutes today.
40 minutes today.
Bar chart. Show it. Go to
This is
bar
a bar chart.
Go to the previous day button. Out
Go to
of
the
pager.
previous day. So if you want to check that previous day's usage, you can check. So I'm swiping from left to right. Let's see what type of applications I have been using.
Go to the set timers for your apps. You can dismiss card. Set timers for your apps.
Set
You can
timers
set
for
daily
apps.
timers. Dismiss card button.
So I'm dismissing this.
40
I'm
minutes.
telling you
Facebook
what is this.
used for 13 minutes.
Facebook used for 13 minutes. I mean, today I have been using Facebook for the 13 minutes till now. So let's see, there are another options.
No timer set for Facebook.
No timer set for Facebook. So if you want to use Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram for a certain period of hours, for example, you are a student, so this can be helpful in a very well, because you don't want to use Facebook more and more. So you just set 1 hour, 2 hour a day, and 1 hour, 2 hours a day, and once the time limit will be over, once the time limit is over, and the application will be paused, right? So I'm just
Telegram used for 6 minutes. No timer set for Facebook.
so if I click on
set app
no timer set, let's see,
0 hours.
0
Edit
hours,
box. 1 hour. Button.
1 hour,
25 minutes.
25
Button.
minutes,
30 minutes. Edit
30
box.
minutes.
35 minutes. Button.
Okay, so from here you have to choose how much hours, like for example
1 hour. Button.
1 hour,
0 hours. Edit box.
0 hours in edit box means it's 0 hours. If you click on 1 hour, then 1 hour will be selected. It's like a very similar interface like alarm application or clocking applications.
20, 30 minutes. Edit
30
box.
minutes.
35 minutes.
35
Button.
minutes.
Cancel. Button.
Cancel.
Okay. But media volume.
Okay button.
Cancel. Button. Okay. Button.
So I'm just clicking on cancel button because I don't know to
Control.
set.
Telegram. No timer set for Telegram.
Telegram, see,
Telegram used for 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
No settings used for 2
Settings.
minutes.
Settings,
Set timer.
Okay.
Messenger used for 1 minute.
Messenger,
No timer set for Messenger.
No timer
used
set.
for less than 1 minute. No timer set for security.
okay. So this is all about the applications which I have been using for the past for today. So this is the today's record. Now let's see another
Digital
options.
Wellbeing. 7 unlocks.
7 unlocks.
30 notify. 7 unlocks.
7 unlocks means 7 times I have unlocked my phone today. Got it? So again I am just
7 unlocks.
click on here
More.
dashboard.
Times opened. Drop down menu.
Times opened.
7 unlocks. Today.
7 unlocks.
Bar chart. Go,
This is a
go
bar
to the
chart.
Face. No time. Facebook. Open 6 times.
Facebook opened 6 times. So I have opened Facebook 6 times. Right?
No timer set for Facebook.
There's also timer set, you can say timer set
0
like
1 hour. Button.
okay. So
Dashboard. Face.
this is
Go
the
to
same thing.
Go. Art. 7 times. More
Okay,
options.
so from this drop down menu, let's check.
Notifications received. 2 of 3.
Notification received,
Times opened. 3 of 3.
times opened, and
No. Screen time. 1 of 3.
screen time. So if I select the filter, I mean if I want to see notifications, notification
Dashboard.
received, let's
30.
see,
Bar chart. Go to the 30 notifications.
30
Today, out of pager.
notifications.
Go to the Facebook. 9 notifications received.
Facebook, I mean today I have received 9 notifications from Facebook. Let's
No
see.
timer set for Washington Business. 7 notifications
Washington business means what? WA business, WhatsApp business. So I have received how many notifications? 7 notifications. So you can check the detailed
received. Digital
statistics.
Wellbeing. 30. Ways to dashboard. Bedtime mode. Focus. Bedtime mode.
So
Tap
now
to set up.
this is the bedtime mode. Let's see. Let me introduce the bedtime mode. I'm going to bedtime mode.
settings. Sleep better with bedtime mode.
Sleep
Out of
better
list.
with bedtime mode.
Silence your phone and change the screen to black and white at bedtime.
Yes. So automatically your phone get into bedtime when you set it.
On. Do not disturb. Switch.
So all the time as I am using silent mode. So do not disturb is already on.
Customize your do not disturb
So
profile.
customize your do not disturb
On.
profile.
Grayscale. Change the cancel button.
But in your case,
Next.
it's
Cancel
not turned
button.
on. So when you click on turned on, then here this is the option. Just click on next button.
Set up bedtime mode.
Set up bedtime mode.
Start. End. Start 2300.
So it's start time and
End 0700.
it's end time. So you just need to select start time and end time. It's very easy. Just click on start time.
2300.
0 0
0 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 30 12 00.
So from here, see
23.
23. Just double tap here.
Select hours.
You just need to select hours from here and
0 select minutes.
select minutes. So it is very easy. It's very simple. It is very similar to clock or alarm.
Bedtime
Okay.
mode. End 8 hours.
8 hours.
Ticked. Sunday. Tick box.
Sunday,
Ticked. Monday.
Monday,
Ticked.
Tuesday.
Tick
So
box.
if you want only Sunday, only Monday, only Tuesday, so you can just uncheck those boxes. As I'm using do not disturb mode or silence mode at every time, so I do not have the option, or I don't need to uncheck this box.
Tick.
So I'm
Wednesday.
just
Tick.
backing this.
Done button.
So click on done button after completing all these steps. So I'm backing.
Sleep bed. Digital well-being. Reduce it. Manage. Reduce interruptions. Heading.
Reduce interruptions.
Focus
Okay.
mode.
So
Tap to set
focus
up.
mode. So let me introduce what is focus mode.
Focus mode. Focus mode. More options.
Focus mode is-
when you need time to focus, you can pause distracting apps and hide their
Yes.
notifications and list.
Yes. So you can pause the notifications from distracting applications. For example, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram. For example, you are a student and you are doing studies for 3 to 4 hours. So for that time, you can set the timer. You can set
Set a
this,
schedule. Disabled.
like set a schedule.
To use focus mode, select distracting apps below. Button.
So
Disabled.
first we need to select distracting
not
apps.
ticked.
For example,
Not ticked. YouTube Pro.
for
Not ticked.
example,
Facebook. Tick box.
Facebook.
Not ticked.
Telegram.
Washington Business. Tick
So
box.
for example, I'm choosing
Not ticked.
Facebook.
Ticked. Turn on now. Button. Set a schedule.
So if you wish, you can turn on now,
Turn on now.
or
Button.
if you
Set a schedule.
set a schedule when
Navigate
you
up.
can
Button.
set
Out of
another
list.
time.
Set a start 0900.
Start.
End 1700.
It's very similar to the other things, so you can customize as per your needs. So friends, when you are working, when you are office, you can set that no notifications will come from the distracting apps which you have selected. This is the way to use focus mode.
Digit. Reduce interruption. Manage notifications.
So manage notifications, this is the same thing. Okay,
Do not disturb.
so do not disturb. I have already told you what is do not disturb.
Heads up. Tap to set up.
Heads up, friends. Heads up is I don't know about heads up, so I need to check once again. Then I'll get back to you with a new video.
Show icon in the app list off.
Show
Switch.
icon.
Parental controls.
Parental
Add content
control. So
restrictions and set other
I
limits
want
help
to
your
show
child
you the
balance their
parental
screen time.
controls in detail in another video. So this is for today. This is what I have told you about digital well-being. So this is called digital well-being. So how digital well-being helps you in your life? Please let me know. Please share your feedback regarding this tool and your opinion into the comment section, because I want to see how this helps you in your digital life, in your social life daily basis. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button and please share this video with your friends and with anyone who wish to who wants to know what is digital well-being, because this is a very important information. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, goodbye. This is Ratul signing off.